Is this recipe our most 100th episode ever? It's our 100th episode, buddy. Could you be a little bit more excited? That's the one.
Leo cooks things, I cook things.
Welcome back. Today for our 100th episode, I'm gonna make a cake into a cat. Cat cake.
Cat cake.
It's gonna be delish. Episode 100 starts now. We're gonna make an exact replica of my cat. First up, 12 inches, just like my cake pan. This cake is gonna be just like me in the bedroom. Cinnamon Toast Crunch. What? Vanilla. It was the wrong cake. Yeah. That's some grade A Colombian cake. French vanilla cake, sorry. Bowl. What do you call a squid that loves cake? Betty Croctopus. Don't you just ate my jokes? That's the good stuff. Cake mixture. Eggs. I'm only gonna show this video after I've fed this cake to people. 1 cup of whole milk. Milky. Oh, ask exactly. And half a cup of veggie oil. Ooh. Ooh. Oh.
Yeah.
Sorry. Under control is me. Isn't this nice? Batter up. Preheat your oven to 325. Grease up your pans. Bit of grease. Boop, 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 beep, bop, boop. Cool. Now we're gonna put this batter into 2 cake pins. Try to make it equal because, you know, it's good. Equality is important. And that's how you lube up your eyes. Cakes. Looby dooby doo, where are you? What kind of cake do alligators love? Betty Crocodile. Put your cakes in here. Ah, you fatty. Every time. Let's make some buttercream. I'm gonna do about 4 sticks of butter. We're gonna whip this butter into shape. Make sure your butter is happy and loves everyone. You don't want salty butter. Ooh, a lot of things are happening to your body today, huh? And then we're gonna go medium high. And now we're gonna whip our butter. You wanna see what I'm making? That's gonna be the color of your fur. It's episode 100 and we're making cake. I'm getting whipped tonight. R.I.P. that. Now let's do some sugar. Just gonna sift some powdered sugar into here. Oops, that's a mess. Baking's hard, man. What were the bakers on the Death Star called? The sift. Let's get sifting. If you really want to crank the party up, instead of using powdered sugar, just use Once it's all mixed, I'm gonna add 4 tablespoons of whole milk. 1? Whoops. I'm gonna do 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. I'm gonna add in a pinch of salt. Take it easy, take it easy. Whoa, 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 whoa. You're a buttercreamy mess. Ladies. I'm gonna transfer a couple cups of buttercream in here. I wanna save a little bit. Put in a bit of black food coloring so I can get some gray. Ah, okay, okay. Cakes, we got them out. All right, back to you now. We've now got the classic Chad Michael furry gray. Oh yeah. Welcome to the world of cakes. Just do your best. Really, that's all you can do. Ricka cake. Put down a little bit of that buttercream so it sticks on everything. We're gonna start with 1 piece. That's kind of working. It begins. It's okay, I got ideas. Probably not what we want, but it's okay. Do this like this, maybe? Oh, what if we give him little feet, little pawsies? Look at me. He needs a head. Would that be his mouth? No, not really. Oh, it's good cake. That's not, well, that's starting to take shape. Believe in yourself. Perfect Chad cake. Making cakes is easy. It's you. Perfection. You're delicious. Looks exactly like you. Bye, friends.